Hey guys, welcome to my studio. Come on in. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm showing you the process of setting up my very own design studio. The goal is to have a place where I can store design samples and create new samples. First thing I did was take 2 bulletin boards and paint them white. I find that painting them white helps them blend in better with the background. This is where I'm going to be pinning my mood board images and fabric selections, anything that inspires me. I did some research on thread holders and storage, and I decided a pegboard was the way to go. I found these on Amazon, pretty cheap, and they come in different sizes. What I like about the idea of a pegboard is that they're pretty versatile. You can use it for holding threads, you can use it to hang tape measures, you can use it to hang scissors. So just a variety of options available when using a pegboard. It was pretty easy to assemble. It comes in panels and it just requires a screwdriver and some screws. Here's what the thread wall looks like so far. This particular pegboard kit that I purchased comes with a variety of different hooks and attachments, making it very easy to customize to the look that you want. You literally just hook them into the holes on the pegboard and voila. After I get all the hooks put in, I'm going to fill up this board with a bunch of thread. So I did some research and I decided that IKEA was going to be the best route for me in terms of finding furniture for my studio. What I'm looking for is a cabinet that I can store my fabrics in, a table with adjustable legs so that I can adjust the height of the table, as well as another storage drawer set and a few other things. I currently have 3 huge bins of fabric that I need to organize, as well as some other drawer bins on the side. So now I'm going to start going through those fabrics and deciding what I'm going to keep and find a better solution for the fabric storage. In order to better organize the fabrics, I went and found some recycled cardboard boxes and I cut that up into panels. I then took those panels and I used that as a fabric roll in a sense to roll the fabrics on there neatly. This way I can fit everything into my new fabric cabinet. I also found that using this alpha blade was better than using scissors, much easier on the hands. Now that I have all my cardboard cut out, I'm going to go ahead and roll all of my fabric onto the cardboard pieces like so. Now I can organize all of the fabric boards into the fabric cabinet. Now I'm assembling the clothing rack. Okay, so I am about to start organizing some stuff into this drawer set that I got from IKEA. Here's what the room is looking like so far. I have up my cabinet that I built the other day. Those are the 2 tabletops. I'm just waiting for IKEA to get the table legs back in stock. I've been stalking IKEA all throughout the pandemic and there's huge delays, which is why I am delayed in getting this room together. So anyway, yes, I'm about to hop right into it and get these drawers together. I've got the drawers all set up now and I've decided to use this as a printing station as well. So now I have my label printer here as well as my regular printer set up on top of the drawer set. I am in IKEA and I literally got the last 8 legs. I've been searching for these legs all summer and now I have them. So this is my end result of what my design studio looks like. For decorative touch, I decided to get some large printouts of images from my lookbook. Underneath, I placed the existing rack that I already had and then the one that you saw me build earlier. I also added in this bar cart, which is actually a utility cart that I got from Target. On the bar cart, I decided to include a tea kettle as well as some tea products since I'm a big tea drinker. That way I don't have to go far just to make a cup of tea. In this corner, I have the fabric cabinet from IKEA as well as a large steamer. And like I mentioned earlier, I got these picture clips from CB2. I got this rack from Amazon, and what I really liked about it is the industrial look that it has. It has a wooden base, and then the actual rack itself is like a steel pipe look. Then I have this other clothing rack, which is also from Amazon, which I actually do not recommend. This is how the threadboard turned out. I actually really like it. At the bottom, I decided to use those bottom pegs for hanging items such as French curves, rulers, or tape measures, and scissors. For now, I have the patterns that I am currently working with stored in this basket. And here's a look at the inside of the fabric cabinet. This over-the-door hanging iron caddy is perfect if you're tight on space like I am. Both the over-door hanger and the iron board itself are from Amazon, I believe. I purchased this hustle print from Etsy a few years ago. And this mini dry erase board is from either Target or Amazon. I know I saw it on both of the websites. I'll leave the link down below. I placed 2 IKEA tables side by side to give me the length of table that I desired. This now allows me to roll out fabric comfortably and also be able to cut out patterns. Here's the adjustable table legs that I fought so hard to get. This allows me to adjust the table height. It's really important when you're sewing and pattern making that your table be at waist height so that you can reduce back strain. The tabletops that I chose are white, but I chose to leave on the cardboard packaging to give an extra layer of protection to the table. And I purchased this extra large cutting mat from Joann's Fabrics. For me, this table doubles as a desk and a drafting table. I purchased this drafting chair from Wayfair, and what I like about this is that it's adjustable. I can adjust the height up and down. The mesh back also makes it very comfortable to sit in. On this side of the room, I am storing my dress forms, and I also have my business vision board hanging on the wall. My sewing lamp is from the brand OttLite, and I use this when I need additional light when sewing. Most of the time, I just keep my home sewing machine out on the table. Underneath the table, I just have some big bins for extra storage for patterns and muslin and interfacing. I also store any additional machines or equipment under the sewing table. The shipping label printer is by a company named Label Range, and then I've had this other printer for years. I also got some mini drawer organizers so that I could organize all of my small tools.